Okay guys, we are on the set today with Emily Rose Hannon and we are so excited. She has 22-inch hair and we're gonna show you a big, really chunky braid that you can do that's so easy. You can use it for just something in the front, but I'm gonna show you how to do it in the back. And we are going to start from right here. Okay, so we're just gonna start with a pony and then we're gonna just take ponies all the way down. If I can get her. And then kind of poofing it out as we go. And then doing another one. Taking hair from under that pony and adding hair as I go. And again, just kind of poofing that out from the center to make it really chunky. And just keep going down as you go. Same thing all the way down. You can do this also like, just if you want to do a cute front one, you can just do that and just do a mini one. And then just kind of making it chunkier as you go down. Oh, whoa, this is gonna be, whoa. And then once you run out of hair, you're gonna still just keep it going the same. Oh boy, keeps getting cuter. This hair like poofs out so good. It's amazing. And again, just poofing that out. And now you have no hair to add, so you're just going to take from the underneath pony and wrap that around the other pony. I kind of just poof them out as I go. Lauren, do you want to do a braid before you go? Or no? Yeah. Or do you kind of want to go? If you don't want to, don't feel the pressure. Like we're just doing like from the back chunky so that we can get pictures of them together. What? On when, or do we still have to curl Kendall? I feel like just wave her. I don't know, let me look at it. Oh, whoa, yes we do. Who's in charge of the photos of Kendall? Me? Okay. Oh, whoa, this is so cute. So, same with this side. Just poofing it as I go and starting with that first pony. And now I'm back to the top again, so. And then I'm kind of just poofing the part that's in the center. And then taking one section on each side and kind of pulling it a little bit more towards the middle, because we want it to be really poofy towards the middle. Again, just kind of taking that middle part and not so much the outside. Kendall's so funny. It's always so loud when she's out there. I love it. It's the best. Again, kind of angling it a little bit towards the middle. And then once you run out of hair to grab, then you'll just keep taking all the hair from the underneath that's not in that top pony and adding it to that. Okay, wow, that's amazing. Okay, so there you have it, the fun bubble braids. Like, wow, isn't that amazing? So also remember that you can do this on top and the front, or just a little one, the same technique. So you don't have to do it all in the back, but she just looks so beautiful even from the front. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like down below, and we'll see you next time.
Alright.